Okay, so Evoque's really awesome because they dropped this off to us. This is the new 2025 Streetster, and there's some nice changes with it. This is the new color, and I really like it. So there was like this gray blue last year that's been discontinued. That was a love-hate thing. This is really nice. This whole triple tree is changed. It's silver, so we'll have to dig in and see like what else. Now, what we do know is that the motor's more powerful. That's all we're gonna say. More power. Can't wait to test drive it. It's making a sound. So it has the exhaust, but it's not the same as emo. I haven't figured out where the speakers are of that. I just got here though. Just got here. They're including a phone holder, which is really nice. Really, really nice that this comes from the factory. They also have a USB and USB-C. We got that in there, so that's handy. Screen looks the same. Let's open up. Let's see if this was changed at all. Okay, we got our charger. So the 30, 50, and 60 amp lithiums are removable. The NAS, I would say this is going to remove a little bit easier than the emo because their cord they've only got one cord. And so that comes out easily. That's definitely going to be a little easier. That's nice and snug. This is a 30 amp lithium. Let's see how this closes. Same as last year. Emo's got the one up on that one, but it still closes very nicely. So we're not gonna shun it for that. And let's just say, Evoque was the first to do this like whole style where it covers the battery box. They are definitely a step ahead. They're definitely a step ahead.